Hello friends, I'm your friend Chetan Bhola and you're watching Bhola Moto. In this video, we will be discussing about Flybrid. So don't get confused about this name. You will be getting to know about all of the things about this Flybrid. So please don't worry. Please keep watching this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it right now. Okay, so Flybrid. Fly, you can just separate them out. Hybrid flywheel. It is just going to act as flywheel also, but also as a energy storer more than the flywheel. So I would like to explain you how it works. So this is the normal two wheels which are going to be given the drive from the engine. So what is happening inside it is you must have heard about the regenerative braking. So it is also doing something like that, but is not there is some advantage than that of the regenerative braking. Conventional regenerative braking, you are going to have the advantage right here, is that engine is providing the power to the wheels, and then the wheels are turning, and there is a flywheel which is storing the energies for all the strokes of the engine. I have made a video about flywheel. You can please click on this I button. You can get to that video directly. Now what happens is, whenever you are braking, all of the energy is getting transferred to the heat by the heat generation on the disc. But if you want to save that energy, then what you can do is you can just convert that heat energy before it is getting. You can just transfer this mechanical energy to some storage rather than getting it wasted on the heat. So for that, what they does is, in the normal conventional regenerative braking, they are turning that alternator and then steering this energy into the battery. But what they are doing is that when engine is providing the energy to the wheels, and at the time of braking, the wheels are providing the energy to the engine. This is how it works. The wheels are rotating at higher space, so it is transmitting the energy to this. So that's where the engine braking occurs. So if you want to ignore that engine braking, you can just press the clutch. The engine is disengaged, but this and this is still rotating. So the wheels are turning this different. This is a propeller shaft. If I connect this flywheel to this propeller shaft, then this propeller shaft is going to turn this flywheel. So when this flywheel is turning, you can just connect this flywheel to the engine, and then just use this rotational energy that is going to be stored in this flywheel. So how it works is, engine, there are four components. One is the hybrid system, which is converting the mechanical to the fluid and then again to the mechanical. Then power takeoff device, and then vehicle drive unit. I just don't want to get into these components because it will make the video longer and complicated. So these are the four main components of this, and at the last there is a carbon composite flywheel. So flywheel is storing the energy for the engine when the engine is running at normal speed, normal RPM, and at the time of braking, the engine gets cut off from this clutch. Here's the clutch. The engine gets cut off, and when this engine gets cut off, then this propeller shaft is directly connected to the flywheel. Then these wheels are rotating, sending the power to this differential, and then differential to this propeller shaft, and then this propeller shaft to the flywheel. So what is going to happen is, then the flywheel will start rotating at higher speed. Since the kinetic energy formula is half mv square, here you can see half mv square, the velocity is going to increase, then the kinetic energy stored inside this flywheel is going to increase. And whenever you are engaging the engine again, whenever you are going to push that pedal again, accelerator pedal again, then this energy stored in the flywheel can be used to assist the engine. So that's why this is how this flywheel is going to store the energy for the vehicle also, not only for the engine. It is going to store the energy for the vehicle also. So there are several advantages of this. Is that in the normal regenerative braking system, what happens is you are converting the mechanical energy into the electric energy, and again using that electric energy for the mechanical purposes. So converting the mechanical to electrical, then again back to the mechanical, it involves a lot of losses. So for ignoring those losses, we prefer to use this Flybrid. And one more thing is that Flybrid is a lighter, cheaper, and conventional method, is better method of the regeneration of the energy. So this is how this system works. I hope you guys understand how this Flybrid works, or the hybrid flywheel works. So if you like this video, please share this video to your friends. Please keep watching these videos. You are going to love. Thanks a lot guys for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep supporting guys.